Hello students, today we are going to start a 4th class moral science unit 7. So that is a good manners and etiquettes. So students, when we interact with other peoples in a society, so we have a good manners. So we have a manner so that the persons that will be impressed from us. So there are a few good manners. One is when we meet someone, we must greet him. So when we meet any one person, then we must greet him. We must say namaste, sat shri akal, or good morning, good afternoon, anything you want. Second one is when we shaking hand. Grip or shaking is not too soft or too hard. Means when we shaking the hands with other persons, then the grip is not too hard and not too soft. Third one is maintain eye contact. Means when we talk with other persons, then we never see up and down. We never see like this. No, we always maintain an eye contact with her or him. Fourth one is avoid to touch the body of others. So when we are talking with others, we never push or we pull. Understood? So we never try to touch the body of other persons. Deal with others with a smile. We never talk with like this. No, we always be a smile. Right? Do not speak always. We must be good listeners. We not always speak like this, like butter. No, we must be a listener. So there are 6 etiquettes, or you can say good manners, which we have to follow so that the other person will impress with us. So there are some words that we call the magic words, right? When may I am sorry, please, thank you, you are welcome, excuse me. If we use these 6 words, then definitely other persons or another person must be impressed from us, right? Now I will tell you a story of a king. That is very powerful king, and he is very calm and quiet. But no one person be afraid. Even a children did not listen to her. One day he think that why the people behave with me like this. So one boy come and said to the king that I will give you 2 letters. If you use these 2 letters, then you definitely get a hold to your kingdom. So he write these 2 words on a paper, and after went to the boy, he read that and he apply on his life. How they apply? One time a servant passing near to him, and he asked the servant, that is the name of servant is I think so Haridas, right? Haridas, come, where are you going? And he said to Haridas, please come here. And where are you going? Haridas, your flower is very nice. And he told to them. So after 2 words, Haridas surprised by the king's kindness, and they never having heard him say please before approaching the king. And when the Haridas goes, he say thank you Haridas, and he means he is very happy that servant left with a smile. The king realized the technique suggested by the young man was working. He was excited and he offered a valuable gift to the young man. But when the young man go to home and he discussed with his wife, I think so with his wife, and he said that today I taught the king, which I taught at a childhood time. There are 2 words, that is please and thank you, which are the magic words. So if we use these 2 words, then we can get everything, right? So there are a few table manners which I tell you. The first one is do not waste food. So we never waste food. Second one is eat in a small bites. So we must be eat a food in a small bites. Do not blow on a food to cool it. So we do not need to blow like this. Okay? We have to wait to cool it. When we need something, do not extend your hand over another plate. Right? So be sure to say thank you when you are helps to other, and there are some do not waste food, principle is take what you need. These are some table manners. So students, try to follow these table manners and try to follow the good manners. Thank you and have a nice day.